Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video testing out a bunch of new makeup that I got for Christmas. So it's low-key like a Christmas video. I want to show you this bag of makeup that I have. God bless my mother, God bless Santa Claus, God bless my boyfriend, God bless Jesus. I love everything. But yeah, I thought today would be a good day to just try everything out and record stuff, because anytime that I go on live, somebody's like, did you quit your YouTube channel? Are you not doing YouTube anymore? What's going on with the YouTube channel? And it's like, y'all, I just am not a fucking YouTuber. But low-key, I am. I don't know. Long story short, we're here now. Everything's great, love life. So let's continue. I think what I'm going to do is just do a quick little run through of all of my products. Ooh. Iconic London Glow Setting Spray, a MAC Contour and Shaping Palette, Too Faced Better Than Chocolate Palette, NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit. I'm so excited to try this. This is the Fenty Beauty Prime set. I have a NYX Pore Filler just in case, Benefit Fluff Up Brow, Glossier Mascara, and the Kosas lip oil. And last but not least, we have two Dior lip products that I've been dying to try. So obviously, I'm still going to be using my normal makeup with the stuff that I didn't like fill, because I didn't get a whole new makeup set, but I got enough. Bitch, I got enough. I'm dead. So my first step normally when I'm doing my makeup is my eyebrows. I really like them to be carved out, although I do kind of need to do my eyebrows. So I don't know how carved and snatched they're really gonna be, because obviously they need some snatching themselves, but it's okay. Well, because we're trying out new products, I guess I'm gonna go in with the Fluff Up Brow Wax, and then afterwards I'll do my concealer. I know this is probably like for people who want to do like the laminated brows or whatever, but I'm just like trying out everything. And low-key, I kind of like how it's making this one stick really well. I'm gonna use my regular old LA Girl Pro Concealer to carve out the underneaths of my eyebrows, because I like the way that looks. Only thing I'm not going to be trying today, unfortunately, is the Better Than Chocolate makeup kit. I'll probably do a whole video on this when I get my new makeup brush set, but my makeup brushes, my eye makeup brushes are so old, and I have a new like bedazzled makeup brush set coming in. So once that comes in, then I will get into all these gorgeous colors, but I just don't want to mess them up. Ugh, and they literally smell like, it literally smells like chocolate. Like literally smells like chocolate. That's amazing. But in the meantime, let's move on to the next step. So I really want to try the Fenty Beauty Prime Essentials Instant Mattifying Correctifying Prime Set. I just love all these little makeup words, but yeah. Let's get into it. I just want you guys to see, this is the Pro Filter Instant Primer. And then, oh god. And then, oh my god, I literally also have Glow Recipe Watermelon Dewdrops. I think this is like a pre-primer, and I think I want to do that too. Okay, let's try them. I just love like trying out new shit. And I love everything that makes me feel girly and cute. Ooh, and it really does smell like watermelon. Okay. This feels really good. But I'm also going to do the Fenty primer, because honestly, I've been seeing girls on TikTok, they be like, you know what I'm saying, doing a story time or whatever. And I'm like, girl, I thought we could only use one. But I guess that's not the case. So I'm also going to go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Period. A little bit. And see what that feels like. Oh yeah, no, I could definitely do some more. Too Faced Hangover setting and primer, because it feels so good to start with that as a base, but I want to commit to using all of my new products, so But I don't think I got a new setting spray. So let's just use a little bit. Oh, love that, love that, love that. It's like a shot. Back into somewhat of my normal routine. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia cream bronzer in chestnut. It's really hard to read this many things and play it off like a normal sentence. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't done like a sit down tutorial like this in so long, but it actually feels good and it makes me feel like, I don't know, I used to do this a lot for the people who used to be here with me. So this is nice to like do something like this again. I'm just not so used to it, I guess. I started underpainting just from seeing some, you know, like everybody else, some girl online who did it. And actually, like, I think it makes my makeup a little bit better. I know that there's so many things that I could do better with my makeup still. But I'm just learning and I'm trying things out and I really do like what this does to my makeup. So basically with underpainting, you're supposed to go from dark to light. So next I'm gonna go in with this foundation. I wanna see, oh my God, you know what I'm so dumb about? Is that I probably should have used my MAC palette. Damn, bro. Let me see what it's got in store for me. Okay, so the good thing is that these are powder products and I'm starting with creams. You're not supposed to mix powder with creams. When you're done with the creams, you move to the powders. When you're done with the powders, you're done. So we're all good. A Revolution IRL filter in S, I guess, what is that, F12 is my shade. I only really put on a little tiny bit. Just to note, I know this, but I don't know if you do. This foundation oxidizes a lot. So when it goes on, it's gonna end up like drying into a semi-different color. And when I first put this on my hand, I was like, I don't know, like it's not really my color. And I kept walking around the store. And by the time I was done walking around the store, bitch, blended into my hand beautifully and I was like, okay, purr. So this is one of those foundations that just needs a little time to kick in, which is also why, you know, part of my makeup process looks a little bit crazy until it's done and then you're like, oh, okay, bitch, you ate. Like, yeah, I did. So then we go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. We do have the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour. So let's see what it's giving, I guess. Let's see what it's giving. I'm nervous, but I'm willing to see what it's giving. This one is like, we could try a little bit, but it's blending right in. It might be good for the nose though. Sometimes I'm a little bit like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with my nose. But let's go right back to my concealer. And I put it by the eyes just to lift, and I put it under for the darkness. This is when you really need to wet that beauty blender, girl. Like, this is, I feel like my dry beauty blender will make this look so shitty. Make sure, if you're gonna do it like this, because this is definitely like a little bit of a risky way to do your makeup, like, make sure you're doing all the little things that count. Because if I don't have the time to be doing all this shit, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna do my basic ass, like, high school beat and get the fuck out the door, because this rushed never looks great. Right after I blend out my eyes to my liking, I'm gonna now use my new Fenty. I don't know about this applicator. It's a little bit hard to use, but yeah, I don't love the way that this applies, like the way that this feels, but the powder looks really good. But I think with this powder, I'm probably still gonna have to bake. Now I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender and finally blend out my under eye. I like my under eyebrow to be nice and bright. I'm gonna add some color into my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using my Visart palette and just doing a little mix of a green and black, not a green and black, of a brown and black, and just try to define the shape of my eyebrows. to keep them clean. Like I said, I know they need to be done, but I'm doing the best with what I got. Period. I'm done with the creams. I'm going, well, let's see actually if this lists, oh, this is a cream. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of a cream blush before I set my entire face. And this is so cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is so cute. Perfect. Yes, I've been needing a good new blush. Okay, we're back on the camera and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my lip combo. Basically, I'm gonna start with a setting powder and powder my lips, which I know looks so weird, but trust me, this works. Apparently this tip is from like old clowns. Like this is literally what they used to do, and then drag queens started doing this to make their makeup stay, and now bitches on YouTube are teaching you how to do it too. I'm gonna go in with a dark eyeshadow and line my lips with an angled brush. I'm gonna go again, more powder on my lips, and then I'm gonna go right back in with the same one and line it all over again. Once my lips look scary purple, like what? I wanna find, where are my new Dior? I'm gonna go in with the Rogue Dior 100. And then I'm gonna go in with, which one is this? Dior Addict 16. The lip gloss over it. This one like reminds me of like Mariah Carey. Like it's such a Mariah Carey ass lip gloss, I feel like. Period. I hope you guys enjoyed one of my first YouTube videos in a really long time. This is the final look. Of course, my camera died literally as I was trying to close this shit out, but thank you guys again so much for watching my first video in a long time. This is my makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. This is the aftermath of all the new makeup that we tried today. I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming, so I'm just excited. Thank you. Bye.